happy Sabbath, and welcome to another episode of SciKid. Do you know God? Do you understand His nature? Well, God has a lot of characteristics, all of them awesome. But there is one characteristic that I want to understand through our science experiment today. That is God's protecting nature. Amazingly, this protecting nature changes us. Seems difficult to think about, right? But today, we will use science to help us understand this important concept. With me today are my friends, and they will introduce themselves to us.
Hi, my name is Rin.
Hello friends, I'm Fields.
And it's me again, Ella.
Thank you, friends. Okay, Kuya Rev and Kuya Fields. Can you please tell our audience what we need for today's experiment?
No problem, Yuan. Here are our materials. Red cabbage, lemon, vinegar, spoon, a knife, chopping board, and scissors, and strainer, and water,
Oh, look, there's a lot.
and toothpaste,
Plus there's
and
a
soda,
lot of water.
and bleach.
Okay, you.
7 cups, blender, baking soda, 3 measuring cups, and a strainer.
Thank you, Kuya Fields and Kuya Rev. Okay, now that the materials are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Slice the red cabbage into half and make it into small strips. Half. But it won't be enough for the half. So it should be a whole, right? Let's put the whole cabbage in.
Yeah, half. Half full.
Full. Half won't. Yeah. Half won't be enough. Step 3. Pour water into a blender.
Here, Reverend, that's
Now, time to strain. Step number 5. Strain the cabbage and water solution. I think it's done. Good. Step 6. Pour some lemon juice into glass 1. Step 7. Pour some vinegar in glass 2. Next step. Pour some carbonated soda into glass 2. Oh, and anyway, we
okay.
have
I'll
this
put
one.
it.
It's real soda cucumber, alright? Step 9. Pour some water inside glass 4, but I ain't gonna do it this time.
What? Water? Toothpaste and water.
Step 10. Mix toothpaste and water in glass 5. Step 11. Dissolve some baking soda and water. Okay, 7, the most dangerous and has been used a lot in my early experiments.
Bleach. Don't smell it. Wait,
3,
it's decided.
2, 1. Before the last step, let me tell you what we represent the substance inside the glass. Some live difficult lives. Some live fairly good lives. Jesus, however, is represented by the cabbage solution. He is our protector, and his protection changes us. Now for the fun part. I'd like you to guess what color will the liquid inside the containers turn out to be. I think purple in glass 1.
Okay, let's...
First, glass 1. Ready? Okay.
Yeah, just
what
wait.
What color will be the solution if I put red cabbage juice into glass 1? See.
Oh, it's color pink. Okay, that's enough.
Doesn't look.
It's pink. Look.
What's weird?
It's kind of...
Pink.
It's kind of...
Last time it was purple, right?
No, it was pink.
Okay. Next, go to glass 2.
Okay.
What color would you think?
Light pink.
Say
Maybe?
purple. White, light pink.
Oh. Okay, don't finish everything.
Light pink, Ella was right.
Yeah.
Wait, it looks the same.
I think you just put too much purple cabbage. Ted soda. Okay. Okay, what do you think the color is?
Purple.
Purple.
Oh.
Yay.
Oh, it's purple.
Like purple.
What's pink?
Wait.
What's pink?
That's pink.
Like pink.
Next, let me pour. What do you think it will be? I think it's the same color for me.
Yeah, the same color. Because, yeah.
Yeah. 3, 2.
Water. It's water.
It's purple.
Oh, yay. It's purple. Here you go.
Next, toothpaste dissolved in water. We'll see. What color will it be? What do you guess?
Okay, let's see the baking soda. What do you think the baking soda is?
I think it's gonna be purple.
I think it's gonna be pink.
I bet it's blue. Yay!
Yeah, it's blue.
Okay.
Dark blue. Okay, now the time for the...
Light blue.
What?
It's the same. It's the same. You remember in my early experiments, I put water in my beads. It's still yellow.
Pour some there.
Pour everything. What just happened? But it's still yellow. According to ACS Chemistry for Life, chemists classify substances as acids or bases. Acids are substances that produce hydrogen ions, and bases are substances that accept hydrogen ions. How does one know if a substance is an acid or a base? Well, there are acid-base indicators that change in color depending on whether they are in acids or in bases. Our experiment today used red cabbage. Red cabbage consists of a chemical called anthocyanin. The pigment is a natural acid-base indicator. This pigment is a natural acid-base indicator. This blue and neutral substances like plain water. Yeah. But this is distal, so what's not blue? When an acid like lemon juice gets in the water, a reaction makes the indicator molecule change shape and it looks pink. When a base gets into the water, a different reaction happens that changes the indicator molecule and it looks green. Kids of Hope, Jesus, who is represented by the red cabbage, is the same. He is our protector.
Later.
However, we are like the substances inside the plastic containers. We are different individuals and we react differently to Jesus. But the most important thing of all is to remember that even if we are different and react differently, God is always the same. His protection is constant. He's a God of love who takes very good care of His children. Ate Ella, can you read Psalms 91:1-2?
Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust.
We can be happy that God never changes. Nothing about Him changes. So we can always rest the shadow of the Almighty and enjoy His wonderful protection.
We hope you enjoyed our experiment today and remember the important lesson that came with it. Once more, this is Yuan.
This is Riv.
This is Fields.
And this is Ella.
And
see you next time here on SciKid!